Okay, in this video I'll be showing you exactly how you can log in and get registered on Celeste. So right now we are on the Celeste website. What you are going to do is to go to your browser and browse celeste.com.ng. As you can see right here, celeste.com.ng. Immediately you browse it, you appear on this website. Now once you appear on this website, make sure that you confirm that you are on the right website. Don't go into the wrong one. So once you confirm this, you come over here and click get started. Now once you click on get started, you appear here. Now in this page you have to put in your registration details. So you come over here, you put in your name. So I have an account, so that's why it showed me this preset. Then you put in your Gmail address, you put in your password. After putting in your password, you come over here and select the package you're going for. Are you going for the Hero Lite package? Are you going for the Hero Max package? So I recommend the Hero Max package because it is the best so far, and it pays you more for little activities and little digital activities that you perform on Celeste. So once you select it, you click on continue and start. Now your account is registered and you are halfway through. Now all you have to do next is to activate your account because your account is currently inactive. Now you can see that your account is inactive, which means you cannot earn and you cannot claim your registration bonus because of you have not activated your account. So to activate your account, click here. Now proceed to payment. Now which package are we going for? We're going for the Hero Max package. Now you can either make payment through the manual payment method, which you confirm your payment through a merchant on Celeste, or you can go through the automatic payment method. This is faster for OP users and you will still confirm your payment through a merchant on Celeste. So all you have to do, so I'm going for the manual payment method. I'll click on manual. Now I'm going for the Hero Max package right here. So I'll come over here, put in my full name, my Gmail address and my number. Once I'm done with that, I'll click over here where it says this account number. I'll copy this account details and I'll go to my bank account and make payment to it right now. So once I finish doing it, I'll click on I've made payment and I'll be redirected to an admin that will process my payment. So let me process it real quick. Alright, I just made payment to the merchant. Now I'll click on I've paid. Click on OK. Alright, so I'll click on send and I'll attach the payment. So immediately you are done with this, you just wait for a reply from the vendor. So I just received a reply. So after this, the payment will be verified and your account will be activated.
Yesterday, I made my third withdrawal on Celeste, which is over 180,000 naira made in just a week. Cumulatively, I've made over 1.4 to 5 million on Celeste, and as a result of that, I decided to give myself an early birthday gift. So I went into a gadget store and I went on to purchase for myself a brand new iPhone 14 Pro. As you can see in the video right here, good sum of money for this particular phone, and this money was made strictly from Celeste. Now if you think that making money online is hard or you feel like it is not possible, Celeste have made it quite very possible and easy for any user on their platform to make money through performing simple social activities and also making videos on TikTok. So if this seems like something that you can do, kindly click on the link around this video to get registered and start your success journey.